This thing recorded. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ParrishTG, and I'm back with another video. Bro, I got some bad news. Man, look, if y'all was following me from when I first started my YouTube channel, y'all know my wheels got stolen. Now, it's another thing that happened to my car. My back window got broken with some little metal stainless steel balls, bro. Pause. But I don't know who decided they wanted to throw some metal balls at my window or shoot them with a slingshot, BB gun, I don't know. But I'm about to show y'all what it looked like. I taped up the back window because I thought it was gonna rain last night, but it didn't, thank God. But I'm about to go out there and check it out, and then I gotta go talk to the management office. I called my insurance company. I made a little police report. They couldn't do nothing about it because there ain't no cameras apparently out here. I'm about to go show y'all what it looked like. I called the little glass company or whatever. They gonna come fix it Friday morning. My insurance people called me this morning. They said that since it's gonna cost less than my deductible, which is $500, I'm probably gonna have to pay out of pocket. But since there's dents on my roof as well and my back window's broken, it's probably gonna be more than $500. So I'm gonna take the payment because I'm not paying out of pocket for something I didn't do. So I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks. All right, so this, I don't know if y'all can even see it on camera, but y'all see where I taped it. That's where the hole was. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen and show y'all what it looked like before I put the tape on it. But I don't even know if you can see it right here. So I'm gonna get inside the car, but you can see, I don't know if you can see the dents. Hold on, give me. I don't know if you can see the, well, yeah, you can kind of see the dents. Like, let me get a good, you can kind of see it right there. You can see the dents. See them all. And then this, that's what they was throwing or shooting or whatever. Little stainless steel, I'm not even trying to touch it. I don't even know what it is. But this the one, don't mind my dirty car, but this the one that went through my window because it's obviously the only one in the car. So yeah, but this what, that's what the window looked like from the inside. Glass on the seat. This thing bad, man. They did me dirty for the second time. But nah, man. If I wasn't about to move back to North Carolina soon, I'll be looking for another apartment. But there's no need for me to move and then break another lease in the next couple months. So I'm kind of stuck, but I'm about to go talk to the management office, see what they're gonna do about it or whatever. See if they can do anything about it since they ain't got no cameras out here or whatever. I can't even drive. I ain't even trying to drive it, man, because if I hit a bump, bro, my whole back window gonna come in. Like, the only thing that's holding it together is probably the tent. It's crazy. Virginia is a crazy place. And the thing is, bro, the thing is, I just paid for reserved parking. Like, I paid to park in the front. I paid to park in the front, bro. The first time my car got vandalized, my wheel stolen, I was in the back with no camera. So I was like, all right, bet. Started parking like closer to the front for the last year or whatever. And now I paid for reserved parking to park right here in the front. Like, literally, my apartment building is right there. I paid to park right here. That's the building. So I'm like, all right, bet, that'll be better. No, bro, the thing is, I just got this parking like not even a week ago. Like, probably like 4 days ago, I just paid for this parking spot. And yeah, that happened already. So it's like, golly, bro. Like, it's a dent on my hood. You can see where the wrap is scratched. Like, you can see that. Like, that's intentional. That's not accidental at all. That's not accidental. Somebody actually took the time out to do what they had to do. But I ain't mad or nothing. It's just really inconvenient because, like I said, like I told my homies, like, it's replaceable. Like, I'm fine. I can replace the back window, but it's just really inconvenient because I can't drive it. I did get a day off work for it though. So I got blessed, but it's replaceable. It's gonna get replaced. It's gonna get fixed Friday, and I'll be back to driving real soon. So that's just a little update for y'all on the scats. But it's a lot more to come, man. Stay tuned. The next couple months, I got something planned. So Stay tuned for that, man. All right, just a quick update. The window fixed. They just came and replaced it this morning. It's no tint on my window and you can see straight through it. I hate it here. Now I just gotta go get my back window retinted. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. I really don't feel like it, honestly. I don't feel like doing it. I'm gonna do it eventually, but I don't feel like doing it. But you gotta be retinted. Yeah, so they said I can't wash it for like a week. Let the tape stay up there for like an hour. But you can see straight through that. Yeah, you can see straight through that. I don't like it, but that's just a quick update though for what happened. A little short video. If I got some more car stuff I'm doing, I'll upload it. But I ain't got much going on right now, so that's why y'all ain't been seeing a lot of me. Ain't got too much going on. Besides, I didn't tell y'all, I just thought about it. I didn't tell y'all about the E85 tune. All right, I'm back. All right. I didn't tell y'all about me going on E85. So pretty much I went and got the E85 injectors or whatever, but I can't run straight E85. I got to mix 93 and E85. So I can only run 70% E85 at the most. I can't run 100% E85 or just go to the pump and get straight E85, the flex fuel, whatever. I have to get 93 first. I gotta get 3 gallons of 93 and then the rest E85. It's annoying to do at the pump because I gotta use 2 different cards, which is so annoying. But people did say like just mix it on your own and stuff like that. I do got a 5-gallon racing jug, but I don't feel like that's just too much. So I just go pay at the pump. I'll just get 3 gallons worth of E93, and then I get the rest E85, and it come up to about like 65 to 70% depending on where my tank is. So normally I just go and fill it up at a quarter of the tank. When I get to a quarter of the tank, I just put 3 gallons, 93, rest E85. That come up to about, it stays in between 65 to 70%. That's where I want to be running the E85. So I really can't go full E85 with these injectors. I told the dude at the shop, I said, I would like to go full E85. He was like, test the car out first to see how it is now, and then come back if I want the like straight E85 ones. But for now, I mean, the car feels more powerful. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. It feels good. Like you can feel the difference between just regular 93 octane tune and that E85 tune that I'm on now, and just E85. Like you can feel the difference. Like it's a difference. Like, but the negatives, like bro, when I tell you I fill up my tank today, right? If I fill up my tank today and I drive it around, like probably tomorrow I'll be almost at like half a tank. I'll be less than 3/4 of a tank, depending on how I drive. And like it's like I'm never in eco mode. Like I don't. Only time I'm really in eco mode is if I'm on the highway or if it's raining. But if I'm like, even sometimes on the highway, when I get on the highway, I'm just in sport, just having a good time, enjoying the car, like to be honest. So the way I drive, I'll be at less than 3/4 a tank tomorrow if I fill up today. Less than 3/4, and like almost half. The gas mileage is so bad. I'll be at half a tank with 90 miles left at half a tank. It's crazy. 90 miles at half a tank in this car. I used to have like, I don't know, like, I have no idea. At half a tank, I have like 150 miles maybe at half a tank. But now, ain't no way. Half a tank, I'll be at like 90 miles. Like, I'll be lucky if I see 106 miles. Like right now, if I crank my car up. See, yeah, it starts different. It even starts different. But, all right, right now I'm at 3/4 of a tank. All right. 106 miles. That's at 3/4, bro. 3/4 and I'm at 106 miles. That is crazy. That is crazy. But I mean, don't get me wrong, I like it. I'm not even complaining about the gas mileage because I knew what I was getting into before I did it. So with that being said, it feels faster. It does. Even though it's a heavy car still, it's a lot different from just the 93 tune. It feels a lot faster. But that's all I got done to the car now. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm not doing no more engine mods. I threw too much money into my engine and it's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. But now I'm saving. I got something special planned for the future. So stay tuned to see what's coming. Just know I ain't even gonna tell y'all. I got something planned for the future. I'm just not gonna tell y'all what it's gonna be. But just know I've been wanting this car since I was in high school, and I'm gonna get it. So stay tuned for that sometime in the upcoming, I don't know, I'm not even gonna put a time frame on it. Just know next year we going up on this channel. Just stay tuned for that. We going up on this channel next year. Watch, mark my words, listen to what I just said. We going up on this channel next year, because the car that I'm gonna get next is gonna take me to another level. I've been wanting this car for so long, and I'm finally gonna be able to get it. Just watch. So that's all I'm doing to the Scat. No exhaust modifications. Only thing I'm gonna do to the car now is probably re-tint my back window, which probably cost me like probably $100 maybe. But other than that, I'm just gonna be putting gas in this thing every other day probably. But that's only negatives. But I'm done with modifications. That's all the updates I got. When I got something else car related, I'll upload it. I mean, I don't really have a lot of car content at the moment, but hey, at least you got this, so be thankful. I'm out. Peace.